Hi, good morning. So now I'm gonna do unboxing for the Lucia, we call this Lucia diffuser I won from a raffle. I wasn't able to do unboxing on my first diffuser, my premium starter kit, because I was so busy. So now I'm gonna try it. This one, I got this, I got an entry from the raffle because I was promoted from distributor to star, so I was so lucky I won. I only have one entry. I guess being pregnant is really my charm. So I'm gonna open this thing. This comes with the diffuser, the adapter, and the manual. This Lucia artisan diffuser is, it says here, it's hand-blown glass cover in soft white tones. So it's glass, unlike my first one, it's plastic. High diffusion mode that can run up to 4 hours. So the difference with this one and the one that I have is this one already has some timer, so you can time it 60 seconds, 90, and 120. So I'm so excited. I don't have to wake up to turn it off if I want to turn it off. So I can just choose the timer mode for this. And it has 8 different LED lights and covers approximately 375 square feet. Okay, now we're gonna open this thing. Thanks, by the way, thanks Mucha. She's the one who sponsored this one, so thank you so much. And thanks for Young Living too. So excited. Yeah, I just took out the diffuser. As you can see, it's very well packed. So, because this one's glass, so they make it sure that it's not gonna get damaged through shipping. And this is it. Wow, it's glass. Hopefully Yuna won't break it. Or RD won't break it. Yeah, so yeah, it's really like soft white color. It's like a, yeah, it says hand blown, so it looks so classy. And it's not too, I think this one's a little smaller than the one I have, but it's not too small, it's not too big, so it's nice. It's just perfect here in my living room. So this is my desert mist. I got it because so you can see the comparison of the size. Oh, it looks pretty much the same. I thought this one's bigger, but it looks pretty much the same. So, this one is Moroccan style, so it's also classy, but this one's plastic and this one's like glass. I'm gonna open both. So it's this is how you open it, and this one, I'm not sure how to open it. I have to be careful. Don't wanna break it. This one's bigger, the desert mist. Desert mist, it can run up to 10 hours if you put it on intermittent mode. But this one can only run up to 6 hours. Because so you can see the water is that you're gonna put is lesser. So I'm just gonna take the tape off. So yeah, I thought it's glass too, but this one's plastic. It looks really shiny. It looks like a glass. So there's like a max level. You only have to put a little tiny bit of water here. I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna try to add some water. I already put some water in it, and we'll try to plug it. Oh wait, we have to put an essential oil first. 1 second. So I'm gonna take this time to introduce the essential oils that's included in the package. So the PSK that I bought, it comes with 11 oils, actually 12 because there's one extra. I got one extra RC, so that's good because this, I really need this every night. This RC, yeah, this one. So this one is the one I'm posting. It helps with my husband's snore. I put it every night on his throat and massage it. Oh, and massage his chest, and it helps with his snoring. I don't wake up in the middle of the night anymore because of his snore. Sometimes he snores still, but it's like not like really loud snore. It's like just a baby snore, so that's fine with me as long as it's not really waking me up. So this one, yeah, by the way, this RC is for respiratory, all the problems in respiratory, so you can use this one. I'm still new, so I still have to research more on this. So I joined a group, so we have a support group, so that's where I ask questions if I need something. This one is Panaway. This one is also one of the favorite oils, because this one is used for pain, so it's really effective for pain. So one time my husband's knee is hurting, so I just put one drop and massage it, and he said it went away. So I believe this. And there's lots of reviews about this also. So this one's Copaiba. I use this sometimes with lavender because it says it has calming effect. Also, you can use it for your skin and stuff, so this one's nice too. Also, one oils is not limited to one use. It has very wide range of uses and benefits. So yeah, peppermint, you can add this to my husband's laughing at me. So this one's peppermint. I haven't tried to diffuse it because I'm being cautious, because it says that you have to be cautious with, in terms of diffusing it with kids. It should be like 30 months and above, so just to be on the safe side. But I still use it for sometimes if I get stuffy nose, I just inhale it, and then sometimes we put it. You can also put it on your drink and coffee. It's really nice. My sister tried it. She just dropped like a toothpick and then put it on her coffee, and it tastes really good. Tastes like Christmas, she said. So it's also great to boost your immune system, and also if your tummy hurts, you can just put a drop on your tummy and it's gonna, and also for headaches. Purification, this one is the one that I use while cooking. I diffuse this one so it neutralizes the odor in the house. Yeah, this one. Thieves, what's it? Thieves is yeah, one of the favorite too. This one is I diffuse it during the day with actually lemon, especially now, because I'm kind of feeling like having a little bit of cough because I ate too much halo. So this one I'm gonna put this aside because this one's the one I'm gonna diffuse later. So lemon, this lemon, you can add this on your drink as well. It's help you boost your immune system. So some of the oils you can actually add on your food and drink, like lemon, thieves, peppermint. Yeah, there's like, if you buy this one, it comes with the guidelines on how to use it, so you can just read it over. Digest. This one, I tried it for the first time last night. I was really having a severe acid reflux. I couldn't sleep. So I remember I have this, so I tried to put 1 drop on my tummy. I was kind of scared because, you know, I'm pregnant and stuff, but yeah, I've asked few people and they said it was fine. So I did put some on my tummy, and yeah, it helps me sleep. So good. Lavender, everyone's favorite. It has really lots of uses. This is Yuna's favorite. She's used to the smell already, and she always asks this every night. She would say, "Mommy, yung bango." Before she goes to bed, she likes it. This is the one that helps her sleep during the night. So you can actually mix it with other oils. Like every oils, you can actually mix it. So you can also play with it and stuff and see what smells good on you, and also at least the effects you're gonna get is not only from one oils, from several oils already. So this one is, I think this one's I don't know if it's exclusive for Canada, because it's Northern Light Black Spruce. So this one it sends a relaxing vibe when you diffuse it. It's also, you can use this for massage too. So I smell this one and it's really good, but I don't like it with lavender. Yeah, one time I did put it with lavender and I didn't like it, because you know, pregnant smell is really sensitive. So this one is one of my favorite too, frankincense. Yeah, because this one I saw this post. You can use it for deep sleep. So I tried it and it works really good with Yuna. I put 2 drops of this and 2 drops of lavender. And also this one, you can put it with lavender and apply it on your skin. This is good for skin regimen. So it removes blemishes and for dry skin as well. So, and it smells really good. I just talked to my sister in Philippines and she said this is her favorite already. So that's about it, all the oils. But there's a lot of other oils. Actually hundreds of oils you can also get, but these are the most the one that's included on the PSK are the most used and most beneficial oils. So like that. I'm gonna try now to put 2 lemon and 2 thieves here. When you're new to oiling, they said that you always have to start low and slow, and that means that you only put, like, maybe try it for 1 drop first and see how it is for you, because sometimes you have a strong sense of smell and like 2 drops would be too much for you. I like to put in just 2 drops of each. 2 tips. These tips you can also put, these tips you can also add on your cleaning. You can actually make a cleaning, non-toxic cleaning, what do you call this? Cleaning product or solution for this one. And also I've seen people posting this lemon and tips. You can put like 2 drops of each and add it into 50 ml of water, then you can spray it on your plants. It does wonders with your plants too. Okay, now I'm gonna cover it. Wonder what it looks like. I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, look, Yuna. What's that, anak? What is that? It changes color by itself. Wow, look, Yuna. So nice. It says it has 6 colors. So good. It smells good. Wow, look at that. So this is the on. So when you click the on button again, wonder what it does. Oh, then if I click it twice, it's gonna go on timer 60 minutes, 90 or 120. And then you can, this one is changing color by itself. So I think you can, if you have color preference, you can just pick. But as soon as you turn it on, it's just gonna go change colors. There. Just the white one. I like the first one. So yeah. I think that's the end of it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you understand my my vlog. Bye. If you have questions, by the way, if you have questions or interested, you can just message me. You like ice cream? Okay. Come here, come here. You look into the camera. You say bye. Please bye. Young living. Bye bye. Flying kiss mo sa'yo. Flying kiss. Ooh. Whoa, one more. Yay. Did you like this? Did you like this? Is it nice? Is it nice? Is this nice? Yeah? Oh! You like being on camera? Okay, bye.